Shout out to Nicholas because he was gonna buy me a Gorilla Pod for my birthday. And now it's a little too late. Yeah, but you know, so it's fine. Now we're just figuring out what we're gonna do. They're balling. We'll get some shots.
Hey.
Okay. There you go, bye.
See ya. It's weird.
Look at this thing.
It's so weird.
It's really good.
Where do you get it?
Yeah, where do you get this?
I don't know. Sam's Club? It's tight, right?
It's like
I think I've given it to you before.
What is wrong with your hands?
What?
Why are they all blue?
Oh, because I was dye coloring my slime.
I like that. That might be my like favorite Gatorade now. What the heck?
It's really refreshing.
Yeah.
This is for mom. I was like, okay.
Yeah, my bank account smiles when I put some money.
What to do?
I need Julianne to be here. She always has good ideas.
Check this out.
Hi, best friend.
Wait, when did you get this?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, Nick already told me that was supposed to be my present. Setting herself
Am I
up.
wearing this right?
She's gonna make it. Almost.
Miss it!
It happens.
Oh shit, see ya.
Oh,
That was awful.
can we figure out what we're
She's
doing?
like, I don't know what
I want to go places.
Yeah, I want to do things.
Okay.
As long as we're outside, I don't care. I'm claustrophobic. Like, for real.
Wait,
You'll see, don't worry about it.
it's too dangerous.
Oh, she's vlogging.
Oh my goodness.
She's vlogging.
We're currently at Julasco.
So I smiled at this.
Uh-huh.
Look, it's smiling back at me. It's a snack that smells bad. Guess what this is?
What?
It says ice.
And then just
We finished our grocery trip. We're gonna go check out
That's way too.
Adrian. This is what I came here for. I'm gonna go check out now. Jacob. Explain this to y'all before.
Well, this is dumb. I'm gonna go through your purse then.
So we finished shopping, and now we're headed back to Nicholas's house to pick up some stuff, and then we're gonna go.
nice, like,
We're gonna go to a forest preserve
Wait,
to have a
it just
picnic,
rests on your...
and it's fine. Like, don't even worry about
It's
it.
like
That's cool.
Oh, can I have some?
Cooler's filled. We're eating good.
Yep.
Hi, Adrian. Y'all ready to skirt?
Where are you?
Skirt, skirt.
No, I gotcha.
Hi. It's 444. It's 444. Stopped it at eating at Lake Arlington. So let's go.
Dude,
We're feasting.
we are feasting.
What is hummus even made out of?
Chickpeas. How many times do I have to
I've
say
never
it?
had.
Guys,
Yes.
am I
Took a second to break down.
trendy yet?
Oh my goodness! Stop. I think my favorite part was the fact that like Adrian was just eating, like continually eating. Look at him! Look at him go!
I got his favorite.
Rip Kathleen. I gotta have some though too. To be honest, I'm hungry.
I'll be back.
Wait, my picnic blanket is ruined. Kathleen, get off!
Is the
You're
blanket
ruining
okay?
it.
Is
Yeah.
the blanket okay?
Oh that's
man.
absolutely bad.
Oh man. Kathleen. You know.
Holy! Look at her go! She's crazy.
He's chugging it.
Yeah, what the?
Oh god. It's so hard. I can't do that.
You know what else is hard? Oh, I'm ovulating.
Wait, what?
Yep.
You're ovulating?
Yep.
Equality.
Well, look, what are you? Is that an otter?
that. Let's rent a boat real quick. Stop.
And I know I made mistakes. I will never let you down. And you know I can't wait. Tell me what we do now. What about times you looked at me like you love me, gave me the face?
Yeah. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Oh jeez. I thought you were gonna hit me for thinking that.
I have cleaned the ice cream off my leg.
Yes.
Still
And
not as.
Oku
it's
was
still
showing
cleaner
us
than
how her
mine.
fancy new tripod works.
It's great. Let me explain this.
It's a tangle though now. I like don't know which leg is which.
This is how I have it set up right now. It's great.
Iconic. Revolutionary. What?
What? What? Don't worry. If she's panning, it's probably a video. She's panning. I'll put the screen back in and lock you guys out.
We're on the roof.
Shout out to Nicholas for the shot though. Thank you. Oh, you're coming out?
We'll have to make sure you guys are safe soon.
What? A guy.
Oh my fuck.
You wanna come on the roof?
Yeah, yeah. Hey, be careful. Which house it was? Yeah, true.
You
When
right.
come out here, like, don't fall. I know that's obvious, but like. Yeah. Stop.
Flicking through a little book of sex tips. Remember when the boys were all electric? Now when she's told she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it. Clinging to no getting sentimental. Said she wasn't going, but she went still. Lots of different to be gentle. Is it a mecha dollar or a betting pencil? All the boys are slide.
For Jacob's vlog?
Hopefully, like if he wants to use it.
Which number is this? 36?
36.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to B36!
Wait, now we're gonna do 37 just in case. That's not straight.
37?
That's not straight.
Yeah, you can.
Bye, Julia.
Emily just phoned for me to smoke with her and on her furniture, discuss how love is made.
Yeah. Hi,
I
Nobo.
want to be in the vlog. Stop.
Why don't you want to be in my
I
vlog?
want to be in the vlog.
Oh my god.
I want to be in the vlog.
But would you be in if I said if you were my favorite son? Oh, okay.
See ya.
Yeah. All right.
Although that's a mainly uncreative song.
Bye, best friends.
Mistakes. I will never let you down. And you know I can't wait. Tell me what we do now. What about times you looked at me like you love me, gave me the face? It was times putting nothing above, you're not even the case.